Well, hello there, all my poor people. It's Michael Diederich here. I'm just a poor boy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting in my car right now outside my absolutely favorite Chinese place here in my village, waiting for my order to be ready because I am here to celebrate. I did it. Actually, you did it. You helped me reach 200 subscribers, and I am celebrating with a delicious Chinese meal tonight because I've been also really, really busy doing a lot of stuff. So some of you may recall a piece I did called Finite Space. It was part of the do's and don'ts challenge that I did. It turned out lovely. I put resin on it, and a colleague of mine loved it and wanted to see it live. So I brought it to her house, and her husband looked at it, and they loved it, but it was just too small. So I said I could make a bigger piece, or what if I, reproduced this one two more times, for example, and turned it into like a triptych, and they loved that idea. So instead of replicating it twice, I replicated it four times. That way they could choose which three of the five they wanted. Maybe they'll even want four, who knows, because it'll look really good as a square as well. So they're returning on the 9th of August from vacation, so I'm really, really excited about that to see which one they like. Also, I've been doing a lot of jewelry work lately, but I've been trying to combine that. So there is, hopefully later tonight or maybe tomorrow, there is a video coming out with some more surface pours. You guys seem to like those, so this will be my next surface pour video. And I also started on another surface pour and a jewelry making video. So I'm kind of filming and doing double duty with some of that material. So the colors of my new jewelry collections, one of them features green and one of them features fire colors. So I decided to go ahead and pour some other things as well. So I'm just waiting for these two little shelves to dry. They are part of like a hanging kind of like spice rack that's nice. And then I have these two lovely trays. I call them tapas trays. Once they're resin, they'll be perfect for serving. So things are going really well. And thanks to you, I'm up to 200 subscribers. And I promised a competition reward. So it's going to be very, very simple. All you have to do is three things. Number one, you have to be a subscriber. Chances are you probably are, so that's already done. Number two, you need to like this video. Just hit that thumbs button down there. And number three, I need you to go down to the comments. And this is the place that you have to increase your chances of winning, because everyone who comments below has a chance of winning. But if you complete the assignment fully, then you'll be entered into the drawing twice. So here's what I want you to do. I'd like you to go to the comments and tell me what your favorite video is so far, or your favorite painting, or your favorite piece of jewelry, based on either my website, www.imjustapoorboy.nl, or my YouTube videos. So just go down, comment, and say, oh, I loved your summer lovin' pour. Or go down to the comments and say, oh, I loved the piano pour challenge. And then if you tell me why you loved it, if you go a little bit above and beyond, I will enter you into the drawing twice. So just by liking, subscribing, which you've probably already done, and commenting and picking one of my videos, you will be entered into the contest. If you go into some details about why it's your favorite video, your favorite piece, I will enter you into the contest twice. Now, the prize is going to be a custom piece. I will actually discuss with you. I'm going to do a 30 by 30 centimeter painting, and I will let the winner pick the colors, and we will talk about technique, what would be best, and I will send you that piece out of my own pocket, free of charge. So if you want to win an authentic poor piece of art, as I like to say, from me, that's all you have to do. But in the meantime, I see them waving, so I'm going to go grab my Chinese to celebrate, and I want to celebrate you, my yeah, my loyal watchers and fans and people have been so supportive and leaving lovely comments. So this is my way I want to thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, and a new video is coming later tonight or tomorrow. Thanks you guys so much. I'm Michael Diederich. I'm just a poor boy. Bye-bye.